How SUNTUNE's outdoor digital message centers transform workshop signage. Workshop signage plays a crucial role in guiding employees, visitors, and customers through various areas within a workshop facility. In this video, we will explore how SUNTUNE's outdoor digital message centers have revolutionized workshop signage, providing a dynamic and engaging way of communicating information. These digital displays offer numerous advantages that significantly enhance the effectiveness of workshop communication. One of the significant advantages of outdoor digital message centers is their high brightness displays. The high brightness ensures that important messages are clearly visible to all individuals within the workshop, eliminating the risk of miscommunication and accidents. This improves overall comprehension and ensures that important instructions or announcements are not missed. Networked outdoor digital signage, real-time updates, and remote management. This means that multiple displays can be connected to a central system, allowing for real-time updates and remote management. With networked digital signage, workshop managers can instantly update information across all displays, ensuring that everyone receives timely and accurate messages. These displays can be customized to showcase engaging content, such as promotional videos, company achievements, or even employee spotlights. By displaying the company logo, slogans, and visual branding elements on the digital displays, workshops can establish a consistent and recognizable brand image. This helps to create a sense of professionalism and trustworthiness among employees, visitors, and customers. When considering outdoor digital message centers for workshop signage, it is essential to ensure the protection and longevity of these valuable assets. SUNTUNE offers IP65 outdoor TV enclosures that provide the necessary protection against dust, moisture, and other environmental factors that could damage the displays. This robust protection allows workshop managers to confidently install digital message centers in outdoor areas, such as parking lots or entrances, without worrying about weather-related damages. By investing in IP65 outdoor TV enclosures, workshops can extend the lifespan of their digital displays, reducing maintenance costs and ensuring uninterrupted communication with employees and visitors. Choosing the right outdoor digital message center for your workshop. When selecting an outdoor digital message center for your workshop, it is crucial to consider factors such as display size, resolution, connectivity options, and durability. By choosing the right display, you can maximize the impact of your workshop signage and ensure effective communication within your facility.